should be about 10 to 15 seconds, which should give you more than enough time to find a partner. Now, before you move, before you make that awkward eye contact, yes, I already know. I literally mean only partners. 2. How many is 2? 2. Okay, so just partners. When you found a partner, you need to pick a spot in the room that's probably like wingspan away from somebody else. So just move before in front of somebody else, and then make sure that you're able to see the screen. Okay? Your 15 seconds starts now. Go. Great. All right. Oh, I have an recording.
Wingspan away.
Okay. Please stand shoulder to shoulder with your partner so I know who your partner is. All right. There's no way you need 3 partners together. So you need to pick one that I'm going to move to somebody else. All right, so I've got Kale Kia, Kevin Axel, okay, Smart Thab, Gabe Vaughn, Usa. I need one of you. You pick or I'll pick. All right, sorry, you're on the outside. So Annalise, stay with Usa. I've got Stephanie Ella, Amit, Justin, just Adriana, Teresa Bill, okay, so seeing as how finding space is not done by 8th graders, you 2 are right here. You 2 come here. You 2 right here. You guys are going to stay in the corner. Please take 1 step forward. You guys stay backward. Please take 1 step forward. There you go. I'm going to have you 2 move up to like right here. And then I'm going to have you guys move right here. Perfect. Okay. Everybody notice my 2 parallel lines and transversal that I've drawn with tape. I'm going to hand out 2 things of tape starting from both sides of the room. Please where you're standing and only where you're standing. Because if you move, then we're going to clash and then someone's going to get hurt. Please make sure you've got a parallel line and a transversal. Make sure that they're far enough apart that when you jump, you can actually separate your feet, not on top of each other, but also make sure they're not so far apart that you're doing the splits while you're trying to hit alternate exterior angles. Okay? All right. I'm going to hand the tape out as soon as I find it. Oh, it's on the plane. Yeah. Thank you. All right, so I'm going to have you start and then pass it behind you and then around. And then here.
Bill!
You guys can start yours and then pass it out.
Don't you need 3 pieces of tape?
You need 3 pieces. 3 pieces.
How big?
Similar to that?
Yes.
Bill, hold it down.
So actually, Stephanie, Ella, you guys can use that one. That was my demonstration, but you guys can
Alright, that's 1 line.
This has to be done quickly. I'm going to have you guys start. This has to be done quickly. Let's go.
Come on, Kale.
Yeah, Kale.
Yeah, those encouraging words are not so good.
Come on, vegetable.
Oh, yeah.
Especially in science. Chapter 14 quiz.
Catch.
I don't get that you have verses on your thingy. Sure.
I'll help you guys out.
Exercise.
There's
Those are lunges.
There's 2.
Not an exercise wrong like me. You're wrong.
Here's 3. There you go. All right.
Dylan, that's too close.
1. Fail. 2. That's too close to fail. And 3. There you go. All right. 1 kid. 1. 2. Put it like parallel. Yeah, I think your boys go that way. 1. come over here.
It's not always going. Straight.
Keep it straight.
I'm not. Straight
One.
Where are we? We need a new piece.
Yeah, that's good. Alright,
Which way?
Okay.
when you guys have finished, just put the tape down on this behind you. Alright, if you're already done, all you need is your pencil and your notebook. So please grab your pencil and your notebook. I'm going to give you guys about 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and a half.
Oh no.
1 and a quarter. 1 and an eighth. 1.
16.
So long I can hold my breath.
Not very long.
You can hold it for a minute 45.
Are you?
Better.
Do it now.
Alright,
You won't.
I need for all eyes to be up here. Alright. I foresee a lot of participation. I want to be able to do our angles DDR for as long as possible, which means we kind of need to get through this first part a little bit faster. We've done a lot of studying and a lot of working on looking at parallel lines and transversal and those different angles that they make. Right? They help us when it comes to geometry. We've got to be able to figure out, if I know one angle measurement, can I figure out the rest, knowing if it's supplementary, if it's complementary, or if they're equal because they're vertical angles, okay? So we're just going to do a 5-minute review, and then we're going to practice, all right? So you guys have this on the ground, yeah? Yeah. I'm going to have whoever they want come up one at a time to label the following. I've got note cards with angles drawn and the proof. I'm going to put them underneath here, and then they're going to shine up on our overhead. That's how you know which angle to jump in. The first 2 rounds, I'm going to show you picture and words, and then after that, I'm only going to show you words, and you have to jump into a spot. Okay? For instance, can somebody come up here and label a set of vertical angles? Can somebody come up here and label a set of vertical angles? You have your notebooks for a reason. Check them out. Open them up. Can somebody come up here and label on my board vertical angles? Nope, you're not making an entry. You're just using your notes. Kevin, come on up. Grab a marker and label 2 vertical angles. So that's the point of intersection. Which angles are vertical? There you go. Which 2? There you go. And then label 2 more on the other one. There you go. All right. Oh, fun. Kevin came up here and he labeled this angle right here, and he labeled this angle. Then he also labeled these ones, and then he also labeled these ones. Does anybody have any clarifying questions? Does anybody think he's wrong? No, you guys are good?
I mean, it could also be.
All right, and it could also be the other way. Perfect. So if I say vertical angles, then you would have a partner jump into any 2 vertical angles that they find. Okay? So right now, have one partner stand in vertical angles. Have one partner stand in a set of vertical angles. Find a set of vertical angles. Those are corresponding. That's a point of intersection. So, you guys have to have a foot in each angle. It's not enough to have 1 foot. That would be considered a point of intersection. I know that your feet can reach both angles, but each foot is going to be a single angle. Okay? Alright, who can come up here and label, I don't know, corresponding angles? Who can come up here and label corresponding angles? Gabe, come on up. Alright, same partner on the board. Please jump into a pair of corresponding angles. Same partner on the board. Come jump into corresponding angles. There you go. Much better. Alright, we're going to do two more just for fun. Ooh, does anybody remember alternate exterior? Who can label alternate exterior? Bab, do one and Stephanie do the other one.
Another one.
Both come up. So you label one set of alternate exterior and then you label the other set. If you think you already can, switch partners and have your partner practice finding alternate exterior. Please jump into a pair of alternate exterior. So exchange partners.
Alternate exterior.
Exchange partners and then jump into alternate exterior.
You can go also the other way.
Alternate exterior.